Hello there, Maths. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and complex zeros. Let's solve it together. The polynomial function p of x equals x minus 6 times x squared minus 3x plus 2. Which of the following describes the zeros of p? A. P has exactly 2 distinctly zeros. B. P has exactly 3 distinctly zeros. C. P has exactly 1 distinctly zero and no non-real zeros. And D. P has exactly 1 distinctly zero and 2 non-real zeros. To find the zeros of a polynomial, you will make the factors equal 0. So there are two factors in this given one. X minus 6 equals 0 and x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. And if I will solve this for x, I will add 6 to both sides. X equals 6. And this one, 2 times 1 gives you 2, but when you add them, you're supposed to get negative 3. So this is negative. So x minus 2 times x minus 1 equals 0. So x minus 2 equals 0. X minus 1 equals 0. Add 2 to both sides. X equals 2. And when you add this 2, x equals 1. So we have found 1, 2, and 6 as the real roots of the polynomial. So we have technically 3 different zeros for the polynomial function. That's why the correct choice is choice B for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.